Hi, second graders, it's Miss Boyd, and today we are going to be learning about ice and a frozen hotel. So let me go ahead and share my screen. And we're going to watch a video first titled When Water Freezes. Then we are going to look at a Scholastic news all about a frozen hotel. So let me go ahead and pull up this video for us.
When water freezes. Ah, water. How refreshing. You can pour it, drink it, swim in it, or even run through it. That's because water is a liquid, and liquids flow and change shape. But when water freezes, brrr, it turns to ice. Ice is a solid. A solid is hard and keeps its shape. In nature, we usually see ice in winter, when the air temperature drops to 32 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Water freezes into ice. The water in this lake is frozen. If the temperature stays below 32 degrees for many weeks, a thick layer of ice can form. But when the air isn't cold for that long, only a thin layer of ice might freeze on top. The water below the ice stays liquid. This can be very dangerous. These are icicles. They form bit by bit, drip by drip. As water drips off a roof or a tree branch, some drips fall to the ground. But some drips freeze. The drips start freezing on top of each other, and the icicle gets bigger and bigger. How did this tree get covered in ice? It happened during a rainstorm when it was very, very cold outside. Rain fell from the clouds as a liquid. But when the rain landed on the tree, it turned to ice. The tree was so cold that it made the water freeze. We call this freezing rain. If the weather forecast calls for freezing rain, stay inside. Everything will get covered in ice. The streets and sidewalks will be slippery. Sometimes ice falls from the clouds. We call it snow. Snow starts to form inside a cloud. A cloud is made up of tiny drops of water. Sometimes the drops of water freeze into ice crystals. Then they fall through the sky as snowflakes. You can do a lot of things with ice. You can skate on it, eat it, build with it, or even slide down it. It can be a lot of fun when water freezes.
Okay. Let's go ahead and pull up our Scholastic news. One moment while it loads.
Frozen hotel. Would you sleep on a bed made of ice? In a hotel in Canada, you can do just that. The whole hotel is made out of ice. As you read, think about reasons you would or wouldn't want to stay in an ice hotel. Would you stay in an ice hotel? Read both sides, then decide what you would do. Yes, I would. Here are 3 reasons to stay in an ice hotel. 1. It's made of ice. The whole hotel is made of ice. The walls are ice. The tables and chairs are ice. Even the beds are made of ice. This hotel is beautiful. The sunlight shines through the ice walls and makes them glow bright blue. It's like a fairy tale castle. 2. You'll have a warm night's sleep. Your bed may be made of ice, but you won't be cold. You'll sleep in the same kind of sleeping bag that Arctic explorers use. You'll be snug and cozy during your icy adventure. 3. You can build a snowman in your room. You don't have to stop playing in the snow when you go inside. The floor in your bedroom is covered in a layer of snow. You can build a snowman right next to your bed. No, I would not. Here are 3 reasons an ice hotel might not be for you. 1. It's made of ice. Why would you sleep in a hotel made of ice? It's freezing in there. Actually, it's colder than freezing. Water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's only about 25 degrees inside the rooms. It's totally frigid. 2. The bathroom is outside. Do you ever wake up at night to use the bathroom? Good luck. The bathroom is in another building. You have to walk through snow to get to it. It's not very convenient. But don't worry, the bathroom isn't made of ice. 3. You'll have to unplug. Your ice room has no electric outlets. You won't be able to plug in a TV or play video games. You have just one lamp in your bed. Hope you don't mind the dark. You can go down an ice slide. An ice bed? Sounds freezing. The hotel is in Canada. It's called Hôtel de Glace. Go to www.scholastic.com/SN2 to write about what you would do.
Okay, let's move on to our next page. So, ice glossary. A glossary gives the meanings of words. Read the glossary below, then pick the word that completes each sentence. Okay, we have convenient, which means easy to use. It's convenient to check the weather on your phone. So convenient means easy to use. Frigid. Frigid means very cold. Layer. Layer is a coating of something. This car is covered in a layer of snow. So layer is a coating of something. Snug. Snug means cozy and comfortable. So I'm going to read each of these sentences and you are going to choose which word would best fit in this sentence. So number 1, you would feel very blank going to sleep in a thick sleeping bag. I'm going to read that again. You would feel very blank going to sleep in a thick sleeping bag. Is it frigid, layer, or snug? You would feel very snug going to sleep in a thick sleeping bag. Okay, number 2, it's not very blank to walk through snow to get to the bathroom. It's not very blank to walk through snow to get to the bathroom. Is the answer frigid, layer, or convenient? Think about our glossary and what our 4 different words mean. It's not very convenient to walk through snow to get to the bathroom. Remember, convenient means easy to use. It's not very convenient to have to walk through the snow to get to the bathroom. Number 3, the floor of the ice hotel is covered in a blank of snow. The floor of the ice hotel is covered in a blank of snow. Your options are snug, layer, and convenient. Which one could it be? The floor of the ice hotel is covered in a layer of snow. Remember, a layer is a coating of something. So the floor of the ice hotel is covered in a layer of snow. Number 4. You'll be warm inside your sleeping bag, but it's blank outside. You'll be warm inside your sleeping bag, but it's blank outside. Your options are frigid, layer, and snug. Which one could it be? You'll be warm inside your sleeping bag, but it's frigid outside. Remember, frigid means very cold. So you'll be warm inside your sleeping bag, but it's frigid outside. Great work, everyone. Let's go ahead and go back to here, and we are going to play a fun little game. Okay, we are going to answer the questions to earn points. So let's see if we can get all of these questions correct. What is the article mostly about? A, how an ice hotel is built. B, reasons why ice hotels are better than normal hotels. Or C, reasons why you should and why you shouldn't stay in an ice hotel. Let's go ahead and think about it for a second. Which one could it be? A, B, or C? So our article is mostly about reasons why you should and why you shouldn't stay in an ice hotel. Ooh, that's correct. Let's go to the next one. You can build a snowman in your room at the ice hotel. Let's think back to our Scholastic News article that we read. Did we read that we were able to build a snowman in our room at the ice hotel? Yes, we did read that. Okay, let's go to the next one. Your bed is made of blank at the ice hotel. Our options are pillows, ice, or wood. Your bed is made of blank at the ice hotel. If you said ice, you're correct. Remember that the ice hotel, everything in the ice hotel is made out of ice, including your bed. How do people stay cozy and snug while they sleep at the ice hotel? A, they sleep in a bag made of ice. B, they sleep in a warm sleeping bag. Or C, they sleep outside. So how do people stay cozy and snug while they sleep at the ice hotel? I think that sleeping in a bag made of ice would be pretty frigid, as well as sleeping outside. So B, they sleep in a warm sleeping bag. Okay, let's go to the next one. What is not made out of ice at the ice hotel? Tables and chairs, beds, or sleeping bags? What is not made out of ice at the ice hotel? What do we think? Well, I know that we read that the tables and chairs and the beds were made out of ice, but we know that the sleeping bags were made out of really cozy and warm materials. So our sleeping bags are not made out of ice. We have 3 more left. We're doing great. At the ice hotel, you have to walk through the snow to get to the bathroom. Is that true or false? Do we have to walk through the snow to get to the bathroom at the ice hotel? What do you think? We do. We have to walk outside in the snow to get to the bathroom. That would be very cold. Which of the following is a reason the article gives for why you would want to stay at an ice hotel? A, you can make a snowman in your room. B, you have to go outside to use the bathroom. Or C, You can't have a phone, TV, or any video games. So which of the following is a reason the article gives for why you would want to stay at an ice hotel? If you said A, you can make a snowman in your room, you're correct. And we have one last question. Which of the following is a reason the article gives for why you would not want to stay at an ice hotel? A, ice hotels are beautiful. B, you are warm in a sleeping bag at night. Or C, it is cold inside the rooms. So which one is a reason why you would not want to stay at an ice hotel? What do you think? Well, I'm going to say C, it's cold inside the rooms. And that was correct. Nice, great work, everyone.